$20,000. That is the price Elon Musk says you will pay for a robot that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and works 3 shifts a day, every day. Right now, in Fremont, California, workers are dismantling a production line that ran for 14 years. They are replacing it with assembly stations for a humanoid robot, and Tesla has set a date. Late July 2026. Elon Musk, Tesla. A $20,000 robot going into production in weeks. Here is the part that no one is saying clearly. It currently costs Tesla between $50,000 and $100,000 to build one. And in January 2026, Musk admitted on an earnings call that 0 Optimus robots were doing useful work in Tesla's factories. 0. 4 months before the start date. Stay to the end, because the math on whether that price is real will tell you exactly what this means for your job, your home, and what Musk is actually betting on. Right now, in Fremont, California, a production floor is being taken apart. Not because it failed, not because the car stopped selling, but because Elon Musk decided that what comes next is worth more than 14 years of history. The Model S line, the one that built Tesla's reputation, the one that moved over 610,000 vehicles, is being dismantled, unbolted, cleared out. And according to Tesla's Q1 2026 earnings call, what replaces it is targeting a start date of late July or August 2026. Not a new car, a humanoid robot. This is not a concept. This is not a shareholder meeting slide. Tesla confirmed, in its official Q1 2026 update letter filed with the SEC, that first-generation Optimus production lines are being installed at Fremont, with a pilot line designed for 1 million robots per year. That number deserves a moment. 1 million robots per year from a single factory. For context, Tesla produced roughly 1.8 million vehicles globally in 2023 across all its factories combined. And now one Optimus line, the first one, is being designed to match nearly that entire output in robots. According to Elon Musk at the Abundance Summit on March 12, 2026, the plan is an S-curve ramp, slow at first, then steep. His words, "I think we'll start production on Optimus 3 this summer, but very slow at first, like sort of this classic S-curve ramp of manufacturing units versus time. And then probably reach high-volume production around summer next year." That is a very specific kind of promise from a man with a documented history of specific promises. But here is the part that changes the entire conversation. The price Musk confirmed publicly at the World Economic Forum in Davos, January 22, 2026, is $20,000. $20,000 for a humanoid robot. That is less than the average used car in the United States right now. Less than a year of minimum wage earnings. Less than what some people spend on a home appliance package. Tesla says that is the target. At scale. The question that no one in the hype cycle wants to answer clearly, the one buried in the actual production numbers, is what it costs Tesla to build one of these robots today. That gap is the entire story. That cost answer starts on a factory floor. Picture Fremont in May 2026. The same stamping machines that shaped body panels for over a decade being unbolted. The same final assembly stations where generations of workers built careers being cleared. And in their place, robotic assembly stations being configured for a product with 10,000 unique parts across an entirely new production line. 10,000 unique parts. Elon Musk said that number himself on the Q1 2026 earnings call, and in the same breath added, "It is literally impossible to predict how many Optimus robots they will actually produce this year." Read that again. The man setting the July start date is simultaneously saying he cannot predict the output. That is not spin. That is the honest physics of manufacturing something that has never been built at scale before. So what exactly is being built? The robot going into production is Optimus Gen 3. The first design, Tesla says, was built from the ground up for mass manufacturing. The most significant hardware upgrade is the hands, according to reporting cross-referenced against Tesla's own demonstrations. The Gen 3 hand system features 22 degrees of freedom, powered by 50 actuators total. The previous generation had 11 degrees of freedom per hand. That is a 4.5 times increase in mechanical complexity. In one hand, on a robot meant to eventually reach a consumer price point. 22 degrees of freedom. Your wrist has roughly 10, and Tesla is putting something more dexterous than your hand onto a machine it plans to produce at 1 million units per year. That dexterity is not a demo feature, it is the entire economic argument. A robot that can only push buttons or lift boxes has a narrow job market. A robot that can manipulate tools, sort components, and handle fragile objects. That robot competes with human labor across entire industries. Now here is the number that makes factory owners pay attention and procurement teams run spreadsheets. According to multiple documented sources, including Optimus Gen's analysis of Tesla's pricing statements, current manufacturing cost per Optimus unit is estimated at $50,000 to $100,000. The consumer price target is $20,000 to $30,000. At target pricing, a robot working around the clock breaks even against a full-time manufacturing worker in under 2 years. Then it generates pure savings indefinitely. That cost curve only bends one way, through scale. Tesla's own logic, confirmed in the Q1 2026 update letter filed with the SEC, is 2 factories working in parallel. Fremont's pilot line targets 1 million robots per year. Giga Texas, where Tesla confirmed a 5.2 million square foot expansion, is being designed for 10 million robots per year. According to Teslarati's reporting on drone footage from May 2026, the first steel structure of that dedicated Optimus facility was already standing at Giga Texas by late May. Steel in the ground, assembly lines being installed. A start date of late July or August. The infrastructure is real. The capital commitment is documented. The engineering ambition is the largest single manufacturing bet Tesla has ever made. And yet, what Musk said 4 months before that start date is where this story gets very uncomfortable. On January 28, 2026, during Tesla's Q4 2025 earnings call, Elon Musk said something that almost no outlet made the headline. He admitted that 0 Optimus robots were currently doing useful work in Tesla's factories. Not a few. 0. This matters because of what Musk had said exactly 1 year earlier. In January 2025, he told investors Tesla would build roughly 10,000 Optimus robots that year. 10,000, doing useful work by year end. The actual result, several hundred units in a learning phase, not performing productive tasks. Now, from the same stage, with the same confidence, the timeline is July 2026. This is either the moment the pattern breaks, or the moment it continues. Here is why it might actually be different. The Q1 2026 update letter is not a tweet. It is a document filed with the SEC. Production line installation is confirmed underway. The capital commitment at Giga Texas does not happen speculatively. And at the Abundance Summit, Musk said Gen 3 is the most advanced robot in the world. Nothing is even close. But here is what this means for you, not for Tesla shareholders. If Optimus reaches its target price at scale, the math on human labor changes permanently. According to analysis using documented labor cost data from Optimus.block, at target consumer pricing, Optimus reaches payback parity with repetitive manufacturing labor in under 2 years, then generates pure savings indefinitely. The robot gets smarter through over-the-air updates. A human worker requires ongoing retraining investment. That is not a threat in the abstract. That is a calculation that logistics companies, automotive plants, and warehouse operators are already running. And the competitive pressure from outside is already real. According to reporting from Rest of World and RoboZaps, as of March 2026, Unitree shipped over 5,500 humanoid robots in 2025. Price, $16,000. And according to that same reporting, China now controls approximately 90% of the global humanoid robot market. Tesla has not shipped one commercial Optimus unit yet. The factory is ready, the date is set, the price target is $20,000. And the company now betting its most iconic factory floor on this product is the same company that missed its 2025 robot target by 10,000 units. Musk said at the Tesla shareholder meeting, "We'll have, in a benign scenario, universal high income. Anyone can have any products or services that they want, but there will be a lot of trauma and disruption along the way." He said that, on record, about this robot. July is the credibility test, not for the stock, for the promise. So here is the honest answer. $20,000 is real, as a target. The gap between that number and what it costs today only closes one way: volume. And volume only comes if July actually happens, if the S-curve bends the way Musk describes, if Gen 3 hands hold up on a factory floor for 3 shifts a day without a human standing next to them. The number that stays with me is not the price, it is the floor. The same floor that built the car that made Tesla a household name is now being asked to build product Musk says will reshape the global economy. That is either the most audacious pivot in manufacturing history or the most expensive room change ever made. Here's the question I want you to answer below. If Optimus hits $20,000 by 2027, are you buying one for your home, or are you more worried about what it does to your job? The floor is yours.